577 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. Welcome back to the channel where today we're diving into one of the most seductive road machines money can buy, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG SL63 Cabrio. And trust me, this isn't just another luxury convertible. The SL63 goes to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, accompanied by a baritone exhaust burble during our first look at this beast. But here's what caught my attention immediately. This car has a split personality that's absolutely brilliant. Picture this. You're cruising down Sunset Boulevard, top down, feeling like absolute royalty. The massaging seats, plenty of posh cabin details, and a large central touchscreen that tilts when the top is down to prevent glare from the sun make every moment feel premium. This is luxury at its finest. But wait, there's more. Hit the performance mode and suddenly you're piloting a missile. The twin-turbo 4-liter V8 borrowed from the AMG GT sports car unleashes pure automotive fury. We're talking about a car that can literally tear through back roads at scandalous velocities one moment, then transform into a refined gentleman's cruiser the next. Here's where it gets really interesting. The new SL has ditched the heavy retractable hardtop for a powered soft top. Some purists might complain, but honestly, this change makes the car feel more connected to its legendary heritage while saving crucial weight. The interior is where Mercedes really flexed their muscles. You get an 11.9-inch touchscreen with their latest MBUX system, complete with the Hey Mercedes virtual assistant. Plus, there's something called Air Scarf, warm air vents in the front seats that keep you comfortable even when driving top-down in cooler weather. Genius engineering right there. Now let's talk numbers because they're absolutely bonkers. The SL63 boosts that figure to a thundering 577 ponies through a 9-speed automatic transmission. Add standard all-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering, and you've got a machine that defies physics. But here's what really impressed me. The adaptive suspension does a fantastic job of loosening its grip and letting the chassis slip into luxury mode without a hitch. 1 second you're attacking corners like a race car, the next you're gliding over highway imperfections like you're floating on clouds. The fuel economy? Well, let's be honest here. The SL63 earned an EPA rating of 13 mpg city and 21 mpg highway. You don't buy this car for efficiency, you buy it for the experience. Speaking of experience, the exhaust note is pure theater. Every acceleration delivers that signature AMG soundtrack that makes bystanders stop and stare. It's automotive poetry in motion. Here's my bottom line. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG SL63 Cabrio represents everything great about the modern sports car era. It's the veritable vehicular Jekyll and Hyde that can alternate between tearing up back roads and posturing on Rodeo Drive in the blink of an eye. Is it perfect? No car is. But is it absolutely magnificent? Without question. What do you think about the new SL63? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if this review helped you out, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. Until next time, keep those wheels turning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.